A is for apple, juicy and red. It falls from the tree and bounces on Ted. A is amazing, awesome and cool. A takes the lead in the alphabet school. B is for ball. It bounces so high, it zooms past a bird way up in the sky. B is for bear with his big blue hat, dancing around with a baseball bat. C is for cat. So clever and quick, she chases a cupcake and does a trick. C is cozy, calm and sweet, riding her bike on a candy street. D is for dinosaur, stomping around, dancing in circles and shaking the ground. D is daring, deep and fun, racing the dolphins under the sun. E is for elephant, big and proud, spraying his trunk and laughing out loud. E is for eggs in a little blue nest. He loves adventures and taking a rest. F is for frog, jumping in the rain, wearing sunglasses on a candy cane. F is funny, fast and free, fishing with foxes beside the sea. G is for giraffe, so tall and bright, wearing a scarf and flying a kite. G is giggles, gum and gold, gliding through stories that never get old. H is for hat, flying in the air, chased by a hamster with purple hair. H is happy, high and neat, hops to the beat with jelly bean feet. I is for ice cream, melting fast, better eat quick or it won't last. I is icy, interesting, new, inside a world of bubblegum blue. J is for jelly, jiggling around. It wobbles and giggles without a sound. J is joyful, jazzy and bright, jumps like a kangaroo taking flight. K is for kite, flying with flair, up in the clouds with koalas up there. K is kind, keen and cool, kicking a ball at the kangaroo school. L is for lion, loud and proud, roaring his letters, strong and loud. L is for lemons and lollipops too, laughing and learning just like you. M is for monkey, swinging on trees, making music in the breeze. M is for moon and magical light, merry and bright through the night. N is for noodle, slippery and long, dancing on plates and singing a song. N is nifty, neat and nice, nestled in naps of sugar and spice. O is for octopus with 8 arms, playing piano with ocean charms. O is oval, open and sweet, owning a bakery down the street. P is for penguin in a bow tie, sliding on ice as stars fly by. P is playful, proud and pink, painting polka dots in a blink. Q is for queen, quiet and bright, quacking with ducks in the moonlight. Q is quirky, quick and sweet, quilting blankets on her royal seat. R is for rocket, zooming away, racing the rainbows at end of day. R is rowdy, red and right, rolling with rhinos in the night. S is for snake, sliding in style, wearing cool shades and a cheesy smile. S is silly, smart and sleek, singing songs every week. T is for tiger, who tiptoes around, tapping his toes with a musical sound. T is terrific, tall and true, taking tea with a kangaroo. U is for umbrella, big and wide, keeping dry in a rainbow ride. U is unique, upside down, U turns giggles into a crown. V is for violin, soft and sweet, playing for veggies in a beetroot beat. V is very vibrant and grand, with velvet shoes and a marching band. W is for whale, waving hello, singing with walruses in the snow. W is wild, wonderful, bright, watching the waves in the moonlight. X is for xylophone, ready to play. X marks the music in every way. X is extra, exciting and new, with sounds like magic just for you. Y is for yawn, it's getting late, yawning with yaks behind the gate. Y is yellow, yummy and chill, yodeling songs on a yogurt hill. Z is for zebra, zipping along, zooming with friends in a zigzag song. Z is zany, zip and zoom, zapping stars with a rainbow broom.